Ma'am, may I tell you the answer?
Yes, please, Yashika.
Mm, if these numbers are arranged in the descending order, then the number series will be 875, 725, 495, 423, 317, 283, and 269. So in this there are seven numbers. We need to find the middle number. If we find the middle number, the fourth number in the series will be the middle number. So if we recall the series again, 875, 725, 493, 423. 423 is the fourth number and the middle digit of 423 is 2. So 1 will be option A.
Very good. Number two, beta.
Ma'am, 2 is A because, uh, wait a second. Suppose this is the starting point of Mohit. Mohit travels 12 kilometers to the west. So if we draw the diagram of north, south, west, east. Okay. Mohit travels 12 kilometers west. So west is in the left hand side direction. So he travels here. Then, then 3 kilometers towards south. That means south is the downward direction. Then he goes down 3 kilometers. And then 12 kilometers again towards east. So east is the right hand side direction, which will be here. Now he traveled 12 kilometers here, 12 kilometers here, and 3 kilometers here. So this is the same as going from his house while taking a east turn and then coming to the south and then taking a west turn. So this will be 3 kilometers as well, and option A is correct.
Very good. Excellent. Now do number three, beta. Fast, fast, Yashika, fast. You will not get so much time. Do it fast.
Yes, ma'am, it is option D because this multiplication sign changes to addition sign. So it's a 90 degrees turn. Similarly, the V here is tilted. mm, if we make it turn 90 degrees, it will turn into normal V, as shown in option C and D. Option A and B are eliminated. Now this cylinder has also turned 90 degrees. So if the cone turns 90 degrees, it will lay flat on its side, as shown in option C and D. A and B are eliminated in the first, so they are not included. In the first picture, the dot is darkened, and in the second picture, it is not darkened. Similarly, in the third picture, it is darkened. So in the fourth picture, it will be the opposite, which is not darkened. And in C, it is darkened. So C is eliminated and D is the correct answer.
Very good. Now do number 4.
Ma'am, option B is correct in number 4 because C. Wait a second. Uh, this square BCDX is 4 square centimeter. So if we take a guess by the square root of 4, it is 2 because 2 into 2 is 4. So we can consider each of the sides of this square is 2 centimeter. Now this rectangle is 16 square centimeter. Its side is already 2. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So this side will be 8 centimeter, and in this rectangle we know that this side is 2 centimeter. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this side will be 4 centimeter. Now connecting, suppose this is the shaded square, sorry, rectangle. This side was 8 and this side was 4. We find the area by multiplying the length and the breadth of a rectangle. So 8 into 4 is 32. That is option B.
Very good. Excellent. Now do number 5. Fast.
Yep. Let's just go with the rule. Ma'am, it is option D, 10.3. Because, wait, let me change the color. Rohan cycled from his house to the post office, then to the market, then to hospital, and then he went to his house. So, the total distance, we need to find the total distance covered by Rohan. So, we need to add 1.6, 1.3, 0.75, and 6.65. Now in the blank spaces, we will fill 0 and we will add. After adding, we will get the result as 10.30, and option D is correct. Ma'am, ma'am,
Sorry, you are correct. Go to the next number, number 6. I was muted. I did not see it.
okay.
I'm so sorry, Yashika. Do number 6. Do it fast, Yashika. Number B and number D.
Ma'am, I already wrote all the values. It is said
Which
that
is
which
the
of the
greatest
following
one?
is yes, and option C is correct because it is 167 is the greatest.
Very good. Now do number 7. Do it fast, Yashika. If you complete this paper, we can start another paper. Do it fast.
Ma'am, number 7 is for number 7, option B is the correct answer because it is said there's the word altogether here. So that means we need to add once. What is this? Okay. 16,72,000, 12,582, 8,540, and 5,675. After adding, I got the answer as 16 lakh 98,797. So option B is correct.
Very good. Do number 8.
Ma'am, the correct answer is 11:30 because 12:05 p.m. minus 35 minutes is 11:30 a.m. This is because we can say this 5 minutes extra. So we can subtract that 5 minutes and subtract 5 minutes from here. So it will be 30 minutes left and it will be 12 p.m. That's 5 minutes. And if we subtract 30 minutes from 12, we know it is 11:30 a.m. So she started her homework at 11:30 a.m. Now to check 11:30, we can break this as 30 plus 5. So 11:30 plus 30 will be 12, and 12 plus 5 minutes is equal to 5 minutes past 12. So option B is correct.
Very good. Now do number 9.
Yeah. Is thinking of the four-digit number. Different digit. Okay. Ma'am, I think this is the correct answer, but there is no other option such as that.
Why you think so? Explain it.
Yes, ma'am. The units place digit is the greatest one digit number. So 9 is the greatest one digit number. So the units place digit is 9. Now, when the tens place digit is divided by the thousands place digit, the quotient is 2. Now we don't know the tens place and the thousand place, so we will leave that. The difference between the tens and the hundreds place digit is 1. Again, we don't know the hundreds place and the tens place, so we will leave this one too. The thousands place digit is the double of 2. So the thousand place I've put as 4, which is the double of 2. Because 2 into 2 is 4. Now as we know the thousands place digit, we can make up the tens place digit with the thousands place. When the tens place digit is divided by the thousands place digit, the quotient is 2. Okay.
Wait, when the tens place digit is divided by the thousand place digit, the quotient is 2.
Yes, so in the first, I realized my mistake now. In the first, I thought 4 divided by 2 is 2, so it's 2. But it's 8 because we need to the dividend will be the tens place digit, so it will be 8. Sorry.
Yes.
The difference between the tens and the hundreds place digit is 1. So naturally, this will also change. Okay. Mm. Okay, so it's 4789, option B.
Very good. Now do number 10, but fast, Yashika.
Ma'am, uh, the length of the rectangle is 10 centimeter because if the area, the method to find the area of the square is length into length. So we already got the length as 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter into 18 centimeter is 324 centimeter. So the area of the rectangle is 324 centimeter. Now it is telling the given figure is made up of a square and a rectangle that we already know. The breadth of a rectangle is 1/3 the length of the edge of the square. Edge. That means 18 centimeter divided by 3 into 1. So 18 centimeter divided by 3 is equal to 6 centimeter, and 6 centimeter into 1 is 6 only. So the breadth is 6. Now the area of the whole figure is 384 square centimeter. 384 square centimeter minus 324 square centimeter is equal to 60 square centimeter. Now the area of the rectangle is 60 square centimeter. And as we already got the breadth as 6, we can easily find out the length as 10 because the area formula for rectangles is length into breadth. Now 60 divided by 6 is naturally 10. So 10 is C.
Good. Very good. Excellent, Yashika. Now let's do this one. Do it from here.
Ma'am, weight will be 927 at the rate because if we substitute weight from week and skid, W in week will be 9, weight from A in week will be the third letter, the third alphabet or the third number, which is in week. So it's 2. I from skit, the third mm, digit, which is 7, and T from skit again, which is the last digit as at the rate. So the answer is 1 is D.
Very good. Excellent, Yashika. Now do number 2.
Ma'am, whom do I have the next class with?
You have class with sir. It's not my class. Do it fast, Yashika.
Ma'am, it is option A because suppose this is the starting point of Arman. He walks 1 kilometer towards east. So east was in the right hand side, so 1 kilometer. Then turns to south and walks 5 kilometer. South is the downward direction, so here, wait, yes, south is the downward direction, so here again he turns to east and walks 2 kilometer. So he again turns to the right and walks 2 kilometer. Finally, he turns to north and walks 9 kilometer. So it will be a long walk to the north, and from his starting point to his ending point, he is in the direction between north and east. We call that as northeast direction, so A is correct.
Very good. Now do number 3 fast, beta.
Ma'am, the answer is option B, 135426. Because 1 is N, 3 is U, 5 is M, 4 is B, 2 is E, and 6 is R. So, if we arrange them, it forms a meaningful word as number. So, option B is correct.
Very good. Now do number 4.
Ma'am, Siddharth is the oldest because Mohit and Samrat are twins. So I've wrote M and S together. Mini is younger than Samrat. So we'll write Mini under Samrat. Mini is younger than Siddharth but elder than Trishu. We don't know who Trishu is yet. So we'll leave that. Samrat is younger than Siddharth. So we'll put Siddharth above Samrat. Right here. Now we've got the that Siddharth is older than Samrat. Now